Today I'm taking a look at these GoPro Enduro batteries. Cost a little bit more than the standard ones, but apparently they last longer. I'm not going to be able to test out too much, but I wanted to pick one up. I do a lot of longer recordings with the GoPro. I have it on my backpack strap, doing photography type of thing, and if this helps out even a little bit, I think it's worth the cost. A lot of packaging for one little battery. -10°C, 14 Fahrenheit. The interesting thing about these is that they both have the same milliamp hours, 1720. So it doesn't actually have any more capacity, which that's a pretty high rating for such a small battery in general. My original OEM batteries are plumping up a little bit, which feels kind of disconcerting. Curious to see what the charge is from the factory. 23%, so definitely need to power it up. Did try out the Enduro battery for a nice long test with the point of view footage, taking photos at a convention. The GoPro Hero9 was on my backpack strap most of the time, and in that case I was using the max lens mod at 1080p standard bitrate, so I wasn't really stressing this combination, but I got an hour and 25 minutes with still 33% charge on the battery once I finished. It's been sitting a little while, so it dropped to 30%, so I think it's pretty good in general. Of course, it's more expensive and your results may vary, and it probably depends on bit rates, resolution, conditions, temperature, and everything else, which this is apparently supposed to be very good for cold temperatures and such. If you want to spend more on these, I think you're at least going to have a good chance of getting a better experience in general compared to the original batteries. After the one long use, it looks good, but time will tell with something like this. It does say Hero 10 and Hero 9, so heroic. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Skyphotography Banzai, thanks.